I stayed at the Hyatt Regency Kotor Bay Resort in Montenegro, and from the moment you arrive, it already feels very peaceful. Welcome to Stay Straight, the series where I review hotels I genuinely recommend. This is the reception, super stunning. Originally, we booked for this twin room, but when we arrived, the staff were so kind. When they found out it was my friend's birthday, they upgraded us to the premium sea view room with hot tub. Super stunning. The room was spacious, was bright, and had uninterrupted views of Kotor Bay. And yes, the hot tub absolutely became a highlight. We used it literally every day till we left. What really stood out was the location. The hotel sits right by the water. It's so close that the next day, while we were out on the boat, we could actually see our room from the bay. It's so nice. That's when you know the view is special. This is the stunning view from the room. You could see your neighbors, but nothing that interrupts your privacy. The grounds are beautifully maintained with plenty of space to sit, relax, and enjoy the scenery. There's a Lighthouse restaurant that's on site, makes it easy to stay in and enjoy the atmosphere without making you feel like you're missing out on anything. At night, the hotel completely transformed. Just look at the hot tub. The hot tub is glowing. It's very beautiful. Now to the amenities. They have a swimming pool on site, and they also have a sauna on the property. It's ideal for winding down after a day of exploring. And this is breakfast. They have a good breakfast spread here. They have an omelette station which is live, and it's always a win when I see that at a hotel. The breakfast was a great mix of local Montenegrin options, and they also had classic English breakfast favorites. There was so much, and I was spoiled for choice. I had a lot of things from the menu on this day. It was super nice, and the omelette was so good. You could go multiple times if you want, and this place was also not crowded when you come down for breakfast because the space is really huge, and I definitely recommend it. We were here for 2 whole days, and as someone who doesn't really go down for breakfast, I didn't miss this breakfast for any day. Our stay came to an end far too quickly, but this is one of those hotels that leave a lasting impression. So is this a stay or a stray? For me, the Hyatt Regency Kotor Bay is a definite stay. If you're planning a trip to Montenegro and you're looking for a hotel that is scenic, relaxing, and perfect for special occasions, I absolutely recommend it. The booking link is in the description, and stay tuned for the next episode of Stay or Stray, where I'll be reviewing the hotel I stayed at in Albania. Thank you for watching. Bye.